Hello, everyone. It is our great honor and pleasure to present to you technology predictions for the year 2021. This is the first time we're doing it this year, so you kind of get a privilege from us. This event has been sponsored by IEEE Computer Society at IEEE. My name is Dejan Milojcic. I work for Hewlett Packard Labs, and I will present it together with my colleagues.
I'm Andrea Matuition from Penn State.
I'm Avi Mendelssohn from the Technion in NTU Singapore.
Cecilia Metra, sorry. I'm professor at the University of Bologna in Italy, and I was the 2019 IEEE Computer Society president.
And I'm Paolo Faraboschi, also at Hewlett Packard Labs, and I'm based in Palo Alto, California.
I'm Tom Coughlin. I'm president of Coughlin Associates, and I've also been an IEEE volunteer, and most recently, president of IEEE USA. I'm past president of IEEE USA.
In this session, we will first give you an introduction about predictions. We'll tell you a little bit about our team, about 12 predictions landscape, where we started from. Then we'll talk about individual predictions. We'll compare them, and then we'll summarize.
Our team is comprised of professionals across various sections of the economy, everyone from academics to practitioners in large technology companies to small practitioners, technologists in entrepreneurial settings. We turned our predictions in particular to the influence of the pandemic in this year. By some estimates, as high as a $28 trillion loss in 2020 is reflected in the results of the pandemic, economically speaking, and these losses are distributed likely unevenly across sectors and regions of our country. These recovery periods that will be required will stretch for several years, and job losses are noticeable and unfortunately significant. So the stressors that this pandemic has placed on all of us, both professionally and personally, are visible in multiple different directions. In particular, as we consider the future of our workforce and as we discuss the predictions that we've come up with, we should consider the role that technologies play not only as instrumentalities of innovation, but also the real human impact of these technologies in connecting with people who have been impacted by the pandemic. And in particular, some of our technologies may help with predicting future pandemics or trying to mitigate some of the impact of an ongoing pandemic. So these exercises are not merely hypotheticals, but they also potentially provide tools that may be useful going forward.